Let's take a look at this example. Now, please notice that first input is connected directly to VCC. Anytime input of any gate is connected directly to VCC, it means that there is always logic 1 at that input. Okay? Next, you're supposed to look at the truth table. Anytime you will have high at one of the inputs of OR gate, no matter how many inputs you have, but if at least one of them is receiving 1, output is automatically 1. Now, I have always 1 at this input, so when the switch is open, I'm going to have always high at the output. Why? Because truth table is showing me that if I have at least 1 high at the input, output is automatically high. Now, what will happen if you are going to close the switch? Right? Of course, you will apply the input waveform, okay? You are going to apply this signal into this input. But is it going to change anything? The answer is no. Because again, this input is receiving high. So if I have at least 1 input which has high on itself, output is automatically high. That's why I'm going to have high again when switch is closed. And I can say that these are the solutions to my problem.